Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss the balancing more complex chemical equation. Kung doon sa mga previous lesson, medyo mga simple equation lang. Dito naman, we are going to do the more complex chemical equation. This is also under term 1 of Science 10. Analyze chemical equations involving decomposition, combination, combustion, and replacement reactions. Balance chemical equations with several unequal atoms using coefficients in the lowest whole number ratio. And show perseverance and responsibility in checking solutions carefully before finalizing answers. Okay, for this activity, unlock the lab vault. Okay, situations. A digital laboratory vault contains 5 reaction files needed for a class investigation. Each file is locked by a coefficient code. To open a file, the correct balance equation must be identified. So directions, examine the unfinished equation. Select the correct coefficient code from the choices. Explain which element helped identify the correct answer. Each correct answer unlocks one virtual laboratory file. Okay, the vault challenges. Lock number 1. Okay, this equation is still unbalanced. So, in order to unlock this lock number 1, dapat i-balance po natin. So, is it 1 molecule for the reactant, 1 molecule for each in the products, or 2 to 1? Sige nga po, i-ano nyo kung ano yung magiging sagot para mabalance yung reactants and then the products. Okay, ano po ang sagot? Okay, the correct code is B221. Okay, kung ibabalance natin dito sa reactant, ang mercury magiging dalawang atom. Ayan, i-check po natin. Itong mercury magiging dalawang atom kasi dalawa ng molecule nitong compound and then 2 molecules of oxygen. Pagdating naman sa reactant, ganun din, 2 molecule of mercury, yung Hg po is mercury, and 2 oxygen. Okay, lock number 2. Okay, aluminum and oxygen gas resulting to aluminum dioxide. Alin dyan? Okay, the correct code is letter C. 4 molecules of aluminum and reacts with 3 molecules of oxygen gas resulting to 2 molecules of the aluminum. Ayan, lock number 3 tayo. O, alin dyan ang makakapag-balance? So, dalawa ang reactants, dalawa ang products. O, sige, balance nyo po. Okay, the correct code is letter A. So, lock number 4. Tingnan natin kung magagawa nyo pang mabalance. So, napapansin niyo po, much more complicated na ito. Mas marami na yung involved na products and reactants. Okay, letter A. Okay, lock number 5. Okay, the answer is letter B. Several aluminum window frames in a coastal school building gradually develop a thin, dull layer after being exposed to air and moisture. During the science discussion, learners discovered that aluminum may react with oxygen to produce aluminum oxide. Ayan, nakabuo ng aluminum oxide. So, the unbalance, ayan. Okay, what are the reactants in this reaction? Doon sa aluminum and aluminum oxide ang product, aluminum ang nag-react with oxygen. So, the reactants are aluminum and oxygen gas. So, yung dalawa. So, what is the product? So, yung aluminum oxide. Before balancing, how many oxygen atoms are found on each side? Okay. There are 2 oxygen atoms on the reactants while 3 oxygen atoms on the product side. Therefore, unbalanced. What is the least common multiple of 2 and 3 useful in balancing oxygen? Okay, that is 6. So, making both sides contain 6 oxygen atoms allows oxygen to be balanced. Ang gagamitin pala natin sa pagkukuha is the LCM. So, what coefficient should be placed before aluminum, oxygen gas, and aluminum oxide? Okay, the coefficients are 4, 3, and 2. Ito yung pinaka-equation na balance. So, 4 molecules of aluminum reacts with 3 molecules of oxygen gas resulting to 2 molecules of aluminum oxide. Okay, what does the balance equation show about the atoms involved? Okay, the equation shows that aluminum and oxygen atoms are rearranged to form aluminum oxide, while the total number of each atoms remains equal. Handling complex equations. Okay, some equations are more challenging because several elements are not balanced at the beginning. The correct procedure remains the same. So, same pa rin doon sa mga previous lesson po natin na mga medyo simple lang yung pagbabalance. So number 1, write the correct chemical formulas. And number 2, list the elements. So ano yung mga elements na nandun sa equation. And count atom both sides. Yun, pinaka-basic po. Bibilangin muna natin. And then balance one element at a time using coefficient. So yung hindi balance ang anuhin natin, syempre. So recount all atoms bilang ulit. So ang mangyari nito, hanggang hindi nababalance, you are going to count and count and count again. Use the smallest whole number coefficients or yung the LCM. Work example summary. Okay, reaction. Ito mga example po natin. Decomposition of mercury oxide. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka-equation niya. So kung re-reviewin po natin, yung iba't ibang uri po ng chemical reaction, isa po yung tinatawag na decomposition. So from 1, halimbawa AB resulting to A plus B, kagaya nito. Decomposition of mercury oxide. So ang result po is naghiwalay yung mercury and oxygen. So unbalanced siya. In order to balance, nilagyan ng 2 yung mercury oxide. So 2 molecules of mercury oxide resulting to decompose po siya is 2 molecules of mercury and 1 molecule of oxygen gas. Okay, next, the formation of aluminum oxide. Ito naman pong aluminum oxide na to, itong combination reaction po ito. Kabaliktaran ng decomposition. So sa combination reaction naman po, sa mga ina-assume po na alam niyo na itong lesson na ito, that A plus B is equals to AB. So combination. So aluminum plus oxygen gas resulting to aluminum oxide. So hindi pa siya balance. Kapag binalance natin, binago yung number of the coefficient in aluminum and also the coefficient in oxygen gas in the reactant side, and then the product side ginawang dalawang molecule. So kung bibilangin po natin 4 dito sa balance equation na tayo, 4 na yung aluminum sa reactant. Sa product, bakit siya naging 4? Kasi may 2 na siya na subscript, nilagyan ng coefficient na to, that is multiply 2 times 2, 4. So balance yung aluminum. Ito naman pong oxygen 3 times 2, so 6. Ito namang oxygen dito, paano naging balance? Ito ay 3. Isa lang po ito kasi itong aluminum oxide na to. So itong coefficient niya, sakop niya itong dalawang element na involved dito. So 2 times 3, 6 ang oxygen atom dito sa product. So balance po siya. Okay, next naman, combustion of carbon disulfide. So isa pa pong uri ito ng chemical reaction, yung tinatawag na combustion. So ang combustion po, always involved dyan ang oxygen. Pero hindi lahat ng reaction na involve ang oxygen ay combustion. Kagaya nga nitong sa combination reaction. So ayan, kung titingnan natin, unbalanced kasi itong sulfur dito 2, sa kabila ay 1 lang sa product. Yung carbon ay 1 dito, 1 sa kabila, although balance yun, ng sulfur hindi. Yung oxygen, bali 4. Kasi dito sa carbon dioxide at dito sa carbon disulfide or dito sa sulfur oxide. Okay, sa balance equation, kung mapapansin niyo, ginawang 3 molecule yung oxygen gas and 2 molecules of the product. And then, okay, next, aluminum with hydrochloric acid. Ayan, resulting to hydrogen gas and aluminum chloride. Ayan, the balance equation. Okay, next tayo, activity. You are assigned as a reaction investigator. 5 chemical reaction reports have incomplete equations. Your task is to reconstruct each equation correctly and submit an evidence-based report proving that the atoms are balanced. So materials, worksheet or notebook, pencil, colored pens or highlighters, calculators. Okay, instruction. For each case, read the reaction description, copy the unbalanced equation, list all elements present, count the atoms on the reactant and product sides before balancing, add the correct coefficients only. Create a final atom count table, and write 1 sentence explaining how the balance equation demonstrates atom rearrangement. And highlight coefficients in one color and subscript in another color. Okay, case file number 1, the breaking compound. Ito na yung tinatawag natin na decomposition reaction. Yung breaking. So mercury oxide decomposes into mercury and oxygen gas. So the unbalanced equation, okay, ito, mercury oxide, isang molecule lang, and then isang molecule ng mercury sa product, and isang molecule ng oxygen gas. Kung bibilangin natin yung mercury dito sa reactant, 1, the oxygen is 1. Sa product, 1 ang mercury, pero 2 ang oxygen gas. So therefore, ang oxygen atom. Therefore, unbalanced. So kung ibabalance natin, ayan, before reactants, ayan, ilagay po ninyo just sa table na yan. Ilan? Yung mercury, syempre, before reactants, ito yung original equation, 1. Sa product, 1 din. And then, oxygen, 1 and 2 dito. After reactants, ano na? Ayan. So, ginawang 2 molecules of mercury oxide decomposes into mercury, 2 molecules of mercury and 1 molecule of oxygen gas. So, kung bibilangin na natin, ilan na yung mercury after reactants, yung after na, itong balance equation. Okay, 2. Yung sa products naman, 2. So, balance yung mercury. Sa oxygen, 2 rin dito sa reactants and 2 sa products. So, 2 mercury atoms and 2 oxygen atoms appears on both sides after balancing. Okay, next case file number 2, protective aluminum layer. The aluminum combines with oxygen to form aluminum oxide. Ito naman yung combination reaction. So, ayan. Itong yung unbalance. So, bilangin nyo rin po yung atom. Kayang-kaya nyo nang bilangin yan. So, ano yung magiging balance equation niya? Ayun, kayo na po ang sasagot nito. Kayang-kaya nyo na ito. So, laging ang tandaan lang natin, ang babaguhin lang is the coefficient or the number before the formula, yung nasa guhit. Okay, case file number 3, burning carbon disulfide or ito yung combustion reaction. So, carbon disulfide reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. So, i-balance nyo rin po. Count the number before and after. Yun. Kayang-kaya nyo na yan. Okay, case file number 4, same din. Ayan. So, dapat natutunan nyo na yung pagbabalance. Kasi almost 2 weeks na pong lesson ito. So, dapat ay yung mastery sa balancing equation ay kayang-kaya ng mga estudyante. Okay, case file number 5. Replacement reaction. Ayun, isa po sa uri pala ng chemical reaction, yung replacement reaction. Kung mapapansin nyo po dito, yung aluminum and bromine. Pagdating sa product na, si chlorine ang naging kapartner na ni aluminum. So, kumbaga metal, non-metal yung combination, ang nagpalit sa kanya non-metal din. So, anong tawag dito ay single replacement reaction. May tinatawag din naman na double replacement po pala sa chemical reaction. Itong single replacement, ito ay AB plus C resulting to AC plus B. Ganun po 'yan. Yun namang sa double replacement o AB plus CD equals AD plus CB. So, nagpalitan. Okay, rubric, paano ba kayo mamarkahan dun sa limang yon? So, accuracy of balance equation. So, pwede namang check na lang po bawat isang tama. Pwede rin, pero okay din itong paggagawa ng rubric. Atom account tables. Ayun, correct use of coefficients and evidence statement. Presentation and completeness. Ayan. For exit tickets, so ito yung pinaka-reflection ninyong mga estudyante. Number 1, so kukumpletuhin nyo po ito. A complex equation becomes easier to balance when blank. Kailan nagiging easy ang pagbabalance. Number 2, reaction type that was easiest to balance was blank because o doon sa mga binanggit natin na reaction type, yung combination reaction, decomposition reaction, replacement reaction, combustion reaction. Alin doon? One mistake that must be avoided during balancing is blank. And then number 4, the balance equation that challenged me most was blank. Alin yung naka-challenge sa inyo na nahirapan kayo. And today's lesson proves that atoms blank.